Hello, my dear students of Primary 4. How are you today? Wish all of you to be fine. Today we are going to start on our revision sheet for the third quarter. And you know that it covers material in Unit 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and some of Unit 13. Okay? You are ready to answer? Okay. We have to start with question number 1, which is choose the correct words between brackets. Look at number 1. Let's read together. 1. She was very cheerful, frightened, fearful when she saw the snake. Of course, she was very frightened. What's the meaning of frightened? Frightened meaning feeling fear. 2. Farmers look for horses and cows. Farmers look in or farmers look after horses and cows. Of course, farmers look after. What's the meaning of look after? Look after meaning care about horses and cows. Farmers look after meaning farmers care about horses and cows. 3. I like that chair as it's comfortable. I like that chair as it's comfortable. 4. I can't drink the soup. It's too hot. This point, attention please, Primary 4. We have to remember together what's the difference between too and enough. We talked before about too and enough. What's the difference between them? Too meaning very, right? But the difference between too and enough, too come before the adjective, but enough come after the adjective. Like here, I can't drink the soup. It's too hot. It's too hot. يبقى here is too hot meaning very hot. Like we said before, it's too small meaning very small. It's too tall, very tall. But look at number 5. This horse won't win the race. It's not fast enough. It's not fast enough. Of course, it's not fast too, because enough come after the adjective. يبقى it's not fast enough. Number 6. He saw quite too enough tired. Sorry, he was quite too enough tired, so he slept as soon as he saw the bed. يبقى he was too tired. He was too tired. يبقى too after too adjective. Where is the adjective? Tired. 7. Amy was celebrated born had in 1903. يبقى Amy was born. Amy was born. He is happy because he passes his exams at school. 9. My brother failed sick yesterday. Which one? Of course, my brother felt sick yesterday. 10. Have you read the newspaper? Reporting. Which one? يبقى have you read the newspaper? Report in the middle. Okay. 11. The roof, floor, ground is the very top part of the house. Which one of the very is the top part of the house? Here is top. You have to pay attention. Fret, top. يبقى which one? Of course, the roof. The waves were very big. They were gigantic. What's the meaning of gigantic? Look at the first choice. This is tiny. What's the meaning of tiny? Very small. But gigantic meaning what? Meaning enormous, massive, huge, big, large. A lot of words meaning gigantic. Okay, يبقى gigantic here have a lot of meanings. Like what? Like huge, big, large, massive. Okay. Of course, pleased here meaning happy. يبقى the waves were very big. They were gigantic because very big here equal or the same meaning with gigantic. Number 13. Sam said that. Sam said that or F or this. He watched a film at the cinema last week. يبقى Sam said that. Why that? Because here is F. F comes only with the question. So here we have to say Sammy said that he watched a film at the cinema last week. Number 14. Mom asked John if he finished his homework because here is a question. يبقى asked should come with what? F. Why? Because here is a question. Mom asked John if he finished his homework or not, so we have to use F, not that. 15. The setting, scenery, prop is the furniture and painted background on the theater stage. Let's remember together what the meaning of these words. Setting meaning what? I said before, setting meaning two words, time and place. Time and place. Setting meaning time and place. Scenery meaning furniture. Scenery meaning what? Furniture. Prop meaning the reason or the cause for something. Like here, the scenery is the furniture and painted background on the theater stage. يبقى 15 scenery. 16 the scenery prop setting is the time or place. Just I say time or place, I have to choose what? Setting. Why? Because setting meaning what? Time and place. Setting meaning what? Time and place. 17. When he said the correct answer, all the class slapped, replied, or clapped. Of course, clapped. 18. What? Which? Who? A nice letter. And this is exclamation mark. So this sentence is exclamation. So I have to say what? What a nice letter. What a nice letter. That is for exclamation. 19. Our school is having an open day today. We said open day, take, have. Having an open day today. 20. The dentist looked at my teeth, and he found them decayed. يبقى which one? Them because of them. So we need something plural. We have to choose what? Teeth. Let's remember singular and plural. We talked about singular and plural before. We said the plural of tooth, teeth. You remember mouse, mice, man, men, woman, lady, ladies, and we said also oxen, what else? Oxen, mouse, mice, sheep. Okay. يبقى here the dentist looked at my teeth. Some mice are eating cheese because this sentence are, so we need plural of mouse is mice. يبقى here some mice are eating cheese. Okay. 22. We will go to Luxor on Thursday. Of course, Thursday, because before the days of the week, we have to put what or take with the preposition on. It's very easy. 23. Guests. Vegetables, fruits are things we eat, such as potatoes and carrots. Which one? Of course, potatoes and carrots. We have to choose vegetables. Okay. 24. You remember? Sorry, back to 23. Guest. You remember what's the meaning of guest? Guest meaning the person who invites him to be in any occasion. Okay, usually when you have a birthday party or when you have a wedding and you send an invitation to anyone, the person who come or the person you invite him, he called guest. 24. Prop. Speech. Character is the word someone speaks. Which one? Speech. Speech, the words someone speaks. 25. Hurricanes can cause enormous. What's the meaning of enormous? Enormous meaning massive or huge or big. Hurricanes can cause enormous destruction. Not construction or not building, no. It's hurricanes can cause enormous destruction. Destruction here meaning what primary for? Meaning damage. You remember? Destruction meaning what? Damage. Okay. Here is the second question. Rewrite. But before I start to answer any question, here we have to remember F. F. Who remember F, first conditional primary for? We talked about it a lot and it's very easy and so interesting to answer. F rule or F first conditional, it talks about two actions happened but one of them related to the second action. Yani if you make the first action, the second one will happen. And its rule, we have to put the verb or the sentence after F in present simple, comma, well, infinitive. يبقى present simple, F, present simple, comma, well, plus infinitive. But if I want to make F in the middle, I have to make the first sentence has well, infinitive, F in the middle, present simple. Okay, let's understand by answering the first point. To find the exam easy, study hard. Here is F, start with capital letter, so I have to put it in the beginning. So I have to say it, if you study hard, comma, here is present simple. If you study hard, you will find the exam easy. Here is you, apostrophe double L, this is meaning well, you will find the exam easy. If you study hard, comma, you will find the exam easy. Don't forget this comma, don't forget the full stop, don't forget F start with capital letter, and if I wrote it here with a small letter, so you have to put it in the middle and use you will find the exam easy if you study hard. Number 2, don't forget your homework or the teacher won't be happy. F also start with capital letter. So here, if you forget your homework, the teacher, comma, the teacher won't be happy. So here primary 4. First sentence after F should be present simple. Don't forget present simple. Comma after comma, well, infinitive, and the opposite of well, will not, which is here won't. Okay? If you forget your homework, comma, the teacher won't be happy. 3. Take some food so as not to feel hungry. Take some food so as not to feel hungry. Use F. If you take some food, you won't feel hungry. يبقى F after F. Present simple, comma, well, infinitive, which is won't feel, but here's the opposite of well is well not, won't feel hungry. If you take some food, you won't feel hungry. 4. Don't eat this food or you will be sick. Use F. If you eat this food, you will be sick. If you eat this food, you will be sick. Look at the first sentence here. This is in present simple. If you eat this food. The second one, well, infinitive, you will be sick. If you eat this food, you will be sick. Easy? You understand that what we talk about today, primary 4? Okay, thank you so much for your listening. Please study these points again. Try to answer alone. And next session, we will meet in another point. We will complete answering this sheet. Thank you so much for your listening. Goodbye.